Hello everyone, I am Sherwin Mins and I am from Odisha. I wanted to share my experience of what I have gained after enrolling myself into the Vysh test series. First things first, how to plan and study for the UPSC. How to study in short, crisp, yet detailed and effective manner. I like the way how Sir has covered and explained each and every part of the UPSC, right from prelims, mains, GS1, GS2, GS3 papers and other papers in his videos. He has also covered each and every topic of spectrum in his spectrum series in a very simple way. And yes, also the analysis of the previous year question papers on how to attempt the questions and solve it easily. The test series which he has provided, I found it very interesting and effective for the prelims and mains as well. I think multiple revision of these materials is enough to clear prelims and mains. Rather than spending money on well-known test series, I would urge other aspirants to take this test series once and then decide whether you find it useful or not. Thank you and best of luck to all the aspirants.